Welcome back to Weems Motor Co. Austin,
Yep.
What are we doing today?
Giving each other wet willies.
Nah, we're gonna work on the Sportster. Alright, so Austin, today, not the day that these people are watching the video, but
of course.
today's actual date is February the 7th. So Austin, that gives you 3 weeks to get this motorcycle together.
Just me?
Just you. 3 weeks.
No, it's not getting done.
Well, I tell you what, you can make plans that every day when you come home from school, guess what we're doing?
Working on the bike.
Working on the bike. Oh my gosh. Well, you know, I think we'll capture a lot of good times doing that. And sometimes I'll just let you put on your music and let you rock out while we get busy on this thing. But today, the goal is to get the engine into the frame without scratching anything, without messing anything up, and get the engine in there, and then we can start getting this thing into what's called a rolling chassis. That means we got to get the front end on, we got to get the rear wheel on, the front wheel, all of those things, and just keep plugging away, man. 3 weeks is not a whole lot of time to assemble a motorcycle and have it running and ready to show. All right, enough talking. It's time to get this frame wrapped up so that we don't scratch it and get it laid over, get the motor laid over, and then we can put the frame over the top of that. So let's get to work.
All right,
Let's do it.
okay.
Well, let's just say that Harley-Davidson motors weigh entirely too much. That motor is 265 pounds, Austin. I think if we add each other's weight together, we might hit 265 pounds.
Nah, just your weight. I think you're like 300.
Dang, why are you picking on me?
Hey, listen,
Jeez.
I'll pick on myself. I'm like 50.
You are skin and bones. We know this. So, got the engine laid over on its side. Got that ready. Now the thing is we have to be super careful. We're gonna take that frame, lift it over the top of the engine, right over your face, just like that.
Ow.
And then we're gonna lower it down over the engine without scratching anything.
No scratching.
No scratchies. No scratchies. None at all.
None at all.
None at all. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
You ready to help me with this? Because we got to pick this frame up. Show me those muscles. So, cool, baby. How about show me what you got? He's going to get a hernia picking up this frame. All right, bro. Let's do this. All right. So, Austin, we have to put these 4 motor mount bolts. These little bolts right here. You got to put these in here. Cup check. Oh!
I don't like it.
Dad's got to be dad. Get up!
No.
Whoa! All right, okay. So got the engine in, got the rear motor mounts on. That was a little bit. So Austin, one of the toughest things about working on these bikes, we said not scratching, not nicking. But when you're working with that stainless steel hardware and you have that anti-seize, man, that stuff, look at my hands. that stuff just gets everywhere, and you got to be like super careful. See that silver there? You got to be super careful with your hands and how to get dirty stuff all over these frames. And anti-seize, like I said, it just finds its way onto everything. So, anyways, we got to get these front motor mounts on, Austin. Once we get the front motor mounts on, then we can lift the motorcycle up into position.
My balls hurt.
Your balls hurt. It happens. Let's knock it out. Whew. That was not an easy feat to get those front motor mounts on. We got them though. Hey. High five. Nice. Alright, so we need to torque everything back down. And once we get that, then we start moving on to phase 2. Stick around. Alright, so not too bad. Got the motor torqued down inside the frame. The last motor mount is probably the easiest one, Austin.
Right.
It goes right up on top, right there on top of the motor. And can you guess what that motor mount is called?
Pencil.
It's not called pencil.
But it looks like a pencil.
If a motor mount goes on the top of the motor, what do you think they would call that?
A motor tensile.
A motor tensile.
You're
I don't know if you're like goofing or what, but I think the best name to call that would be the top motor mount. Oh yeah, top of the motor. It's a motor mount that goes at the top of the motor, top motor mount. So we're gonna put that top motor mount on. It's only 3 bolts, super easy. We're gonna put some anti-seize on those bolts, and we're gonna get them torqued down, and then we're gonna get on to the last phase of this video. So let's get these bolts on. You got to do it by yourself.
Wow, thanks, Dad, for really messing up my shorts and my fit. Thanks.
Let's see those fingers. Come on, show everybody out there. You gotta love anti-seize. You got it on your shorts, you got it on your hands, you get it everywhere. Like, just don't get it on the motorcycle. Doubt. Alright, so we got top motor mount on there. Now, last thing we're gonna do is get this thing up on a center jack so that we can get the wheels and the front end and the rest of the motorcycle build. Let's get it up on the center jack.
Okay.
Alright, bro. Get those muscles ready. You ready? You ready?
No.
Alright, well, I've got to pick up the motorcycle. You've got to move the jack. So, alright, you know where it goes? Right there, right up underneath the frame.
Right.
Alright, let's get up there.
Ooh, okay. A dad booty.
Dad booty.
No, wait.
Success.
He abuses me.
I do not abuse you. I just love you so much.
My neck. Okay. Oh my God.
I love you, buddy. Well, that's it, guys. Got the motor into the frame. We got it up onto the jack. That's gonna wrap it up because I'm tired and I love you.
I love you too.
Man, I'm out of breath. If you guys are new around here, thank you for hanging out. If you want to support Weems Motor Co., head over to our website. Check out our cool merch that we have there. Buy some stickers. Buy a hat. Buy a t-shirt. Jump on Patreon. Support us there. Check out all the cool stuff behind the scenes. Stuff that doesn't make the cuts. Like stuff that me and Austin do. If you guys are new around here, jump down and hit that subscribe button. If you really like the video, hit that thumbs up. Turn those notifications on and let everyone know what's going on right here.
Weems Motor Co.
Weems Motor Co.